Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to change Microsoft account to local account in Windows 11. Okay, let's start the video. Now you check here. This is Microsoft login account. Now I am going to show you how to change this local account. Okay, now you see. Now I am going to show you how to change this account. Okay, right click on this PC. Click on show more option. Click on manage. Now click on local users, expand this, click on user, right click on this, click on new user, give username here, type username, user, and check this first check mark and check mark never password expire user. Okay, now click on okay, create. After this, double click on new created user, click on members, click on okay, click on advanced, find here administrator, click on OK, click on OK, click on close. That's it. This simple step is make local user. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video. Don't forget subscribe my channel.